Alright, hey, what's up guys? Ghost with me this time back on the Ghostly Cars channel. This time doing an update on the Evo, some maintenance that I've done on it, as well as just a cool thing that I got for it. So, first things first, I got some replacements for these, which you guys will see in momentarily. These are my old floor mats. They were beat up, just all, ugh. Like these weren't bad right here, but the ones underneath, like this one, it had a big wrinkle in it. And this one was just like destroyed, and I don't even know. So I went ahead and got some new floor mats. So the reason I also got that was because whenever my car wasn't shifting right, which I don't know if I told you guys about, but my car was not shifting right. The master cylinder was actually leaking, so they replaced. But here's the new floor mats. They are P2M, and this is actual metal right here, which is pretty awesome. And they're very, very plush. So like, they're super, super, super comfy, and they fit perfectly in there. So they're still getting like worn into a little bit, which is good, but they fit perfectly. Everything's like perfect as the OEM ones would be. And honestly, it completes the look of the inside very well. And I really like them a lot. But, so, the other thing I was going to say as well is, so my master cylinder right here, if you can look underneath in there, kind of see how it's leaked a little bit. But this right here, right there, I can't point to it, but up there, that was leaking under my carpet down to here. So essentially, it was kind of like ruining the carpet. So I took it to a shop and they fixed it. I also now have AC on this thing, which is nice. I didn't have that before because my AC went out about halfway through last year, which is bad. But what can you do? And yeah, so besides that, I mean, there's not a whole lot else that I have done to this thing besides that. I have kept it clean as clean as I can, so it's pretty clean. But yeah, besides that, that would be it. Next thing that we're gonna do for this is new tint. It needs new tint. If we look at it closely, you can kind of see where it's like starting to. Let me go ahead and do this. Hold on. You can kind of see where it's kind of like disintegrating at certain parts, and then here it's like very, very, very old tint. And then the other thing is my headlights are aimed low, so we gotta make them go higher, which will happen today hopefully. But yeah, so that was a little update for this. Stay tuned for more. I will be going ahead and stress testing the P2M floor mats here soon for you guys. So I'm gonna be driving them every day, see how they feel. So far, they feel really grippy and really nice, which is amazing. Also, I look a little sick because I just got through a sinus infection, so do apologize for that. But honestly, I really am liking driving the Evo more because not only is it easier to shift, it doesn't grind because the clutch was not being able to actually hydraulically, get hydraulic. So essentially I was putting into gears that I wasn't fully going into, which is bad, but I fixed it. So I got it fixed. My good friends at Superior Imports hooked me up on that because, I don't know how to do the AC or rest cylinder, so I went ahead and had them do it. That's just stuff I don't mess with, But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to leave that subscribe and comment below. Also, my Instagram is ghostplays880 if you guys want to follow that. And I also do TikTok as well. I hope you guys have a great day, and stay spooky, my friends.